T3 stands for Teaching Through Technology.
T3 is one of the most interesting experiences that I've been through.
You do a lot of hands-on projects and projects that help the community.
You learn so much about computers and programming that I never knew before.
Changed my perspective on computers through technology.
We made selfie stations for the new student orientation. It's going to be a scavenger hunt, so at each station there's going to be the cameras. Pictures will then be sent to the Hilo email.
We went on to a community project where we built centers for the people who were affected by the lava.
So when we got to go out and talk to people and find out that something that we did, they really needed and they really appreciated it, was a very touching experience for me.